Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to remove WordPress logo from your WordPress website. So let's get started. So here is our website for which we are going to remove the WordPress logo. On the top of the tab you will see a WordPress logo and we are going to remove this logo and use our own custom logo here. So to remove this logo, we are going to log into our WordPress website dashboard and then from here we are going to hover over appearance and then click on customize. If you are using the basic WordPress theme like 2021 or 2022 like I am using on this website, then you cannot have access to the customizer. Like if I hover over appearance and here you will see themes and editor, you are not going to find customize button here. So for this you can install a new WordPress theme. Just hover over appearance and then click on themes and then click on add new. If you are already using any other theme, then you can skip this step. And from here just hover over theme and then click on install. And from here you can easily install any theme which is available for free. But as I have already installed other theme on my website, so we will go to customize and here you will see all the customization options. Now from the left menu we are going to click on site identity. And now from here we are going to upload our custom website logo here instead of the WordPress logo. But before uploading the logo, we will make sure that our logo will be 512 by 512 pixels. So to create a logo in these dimensions, we are going to use Photoshop. If you have Photoshop, then that's great. But if you do not have access to Photoshop, then you can use any other platform like Canva. So as I have the Photoshop, so I'm going to open it. And here is my website logo. So from the top if I click on image and then click on image size, and here you can see that my logo is in 512 by 512 pixels. So I am going to click on OK. And now from here we are going to export our logo. So we are going to click on file and then export and then save for web, and then we are going to select PNG and then click on save. We are going to select desktop. So our logo is now saved to our computer and now we are going to upload it to our website. So we will go back to our WordPress website dashboard. And from here we are going to click on select site icon. Now click on upload files and now we are going to select the logo from our computer. So here is our logo and then we are going to click on open. So as you can see that our logo is now uploaded and then we are going to click on select and our logo is now selected here. And after that we are going to click on publish, and on the top as you can see that our favicon is now changed. So this is how you can remove WordPress logo from your WordPress website. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.